Track 16 on the left-hand side down there. Up at this road, where the lighter tracks angle through.
Wow. I thought you got lost. Yeah, I did for a while.
Put some speed to it.
You know, it's your hot and just way back a long time.
This one is discussed.
Long time ago. I got caught, it ain't kind of good. Long time ago, I was saying it's
Track 16, that's what you're looking at.
I don't do anything.
No, 16 is the one that doesn't have a frame. This is the one that's two. This is 16.
Get off
Get ready?
Yeah, there's a switch point.
What happened? Kathy had to go through with some freight trains?
No, it was a short enough train to do a through.
Okay.